Welcome back to Talentless Creations. My name is Joe, and I wanted to give a bit of a quick update here because I haven't uploaded for about a week. The vacation lasted a little bit longer than expected, and I just decided it'd be best to upload next on Sunday. Um, the what I've been working on is a skill tree. I'll link the playlist I've been using down in the description. I haven't really gotten too far into it. The widgets aren't created quite yet. So far, what I have is a function to add a skill and a function to query a skill. Um, so for the add skill, it goes to this skill unlocked um, variable, and then it tries to find that. If it does find it, then it's going to add an extra number um, to the tier. If it doesn't find it, then it's going to, or I'm sorry, it's going to add an extra number to the tier of the existing tier. If it doesn't find it, then it's just going to set it to 1 here. And then I also have the query skill here, which is it's going to try to locate a skill, and then if it finds it, um, then it's going to output the tier information. If it doesn't find it, then it's going to be marked as unsuccessful. Um, and these are and I created a structure for the skills. So you got a string for name, description, cost, thumbnail, and tiers, and then I imported that into a data tree. So now I can just add new rows and I give descriptions of new skills here. Um, from the playlist I've seen, it looks like we can call these rows in the programming to do different things. Um, I haven't gotten that far because what he's doing is he's starting to develop the widget, and before this, I didn't actually come up with a design for the widget. Um, so I've been going kind of through different games like God of War, uh, World of Warcraft, and Diablo 3, and trying to kind of do a bit of a mix and match between them. I really like this one because that the amount of skills that you'll be able to use in the game, I'm hoping is going to be 7. So I like this design here. Um, the This design is pretty nice for the buttons themselves. Um, it and also, if I remember right, certain buttons would actually become new skills that you could use, which is kind of what I'm going for as well. Um, and then I like this sidebar here with God of War where you can select different weapons. I'm gonna, I think, assign a skill tree to each different piece of armor. And right now this is kind of the rough draft I'm planning to do. Um, so there's 8 different categories here. One maybe being a crafting tree. I haven't decided if the game's gonna have crafting or not. And then every button will have a skill tree similar to this. Uh, um, and then each one of these red marks will be an actual active skill, and the rest will be passive skills. And each category can only select one skill at a time. So when you click on this skill, it would appear in this bottom right and telling you the key binding it's associated with. Um, so I think that's going to be how I set this up at this point. It might it might change later, but um, for now, I think this is a pretty decent design. Um, and I think that's everything here. I got this new program uh, that I'm going to be start using for references and things of that sort. Because I haven't really thought about any of the skills or the passive skills, so I'm probably going to need to have at least a few of them before I continue to um, build out the skill tree so I can test some things out. So I'm thinking like maybe 3 or 4 passive skills and then an active skill as well. Um, but that's pretty much everything. Um, have a great rest of your day, and thank you for watching. I plan to do the daily uploads like I was before, uh, and I don't know if I'm going to do the week updates or not. I think I'll just if I do, I might just skip. I believe it was 2 weeks since I didn't get to do the one the week before I left, and then the this last week I was gone entirely. Um, but yeah, that's pretty much it there. So have a great rest of your night. Thank you.